Dad, look, my kite is flying so high.
And I'm generating energy.
You're both full of energy today, and do you know what kind of energy that is?
Happy energy?
Close. It's called kinetic energy, the energy of movement.
But now I stopped running. Is my kite still using kinetic energy?
Great question. The kite was using your kinetic energy to get up, but now it's catching the wind's kinetic energy. Moving air particles keep it flying.
Oh, so the wind has energy too.
Absolutely. Anything that's moving, people, wind, wheels, even squirrels leaping from tree to tree, uses kinetic energy.
Whoa, that kid must have super kinetic energy.
The faster you move and the heavier you are, the more kinetic energy you have.
So if I eat more pancakes and run fast, I'll be unstoppable?
Let's not test the pancake theory just yet.
Even the leaves are moving.
Yep, even the tiniest leaf flutter is kinetic energy in action.
It's like the whole park is alive with motion.
Next time you run, jump, fly a kite, or even ride your bike, remember you're powered by kinetic energy, the energy of motion.
Let's keep moving and...
Keep the energy flying.
Let's keep moving and keep the energy flying.